everyone. So we're off to Suwon today. And oh my gosh, we're off to Suwon today and look, it's our uniform. Yung train schedule namin is 7:40 or 7:50 plus and we'll arrive there at mga 8-ish. It's like near lang. Yung access train kasi there is different. It's not like a subway. So we need to book it ahead of time na it's a reserved seating bus train. Our itinerary for the day lang is cafe hopping. I-check lang namin yung shooting location ng Our Beloved Summer because we're a really fan of that. Ako, personally, I don't really watch K-dramas, but when I watch, I make sure na parang like, super ganda. And madalang lang din yung tumatatak sa kanila parang, oh my gosh, I love this K-drama. Hometown Cha-Cha, she was pretty, ano ba, Love in the Moonlight, sobrang few lang, like mabilang mo talaga sa kamay. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, hindi ako nanonood lang dahil lang sa hype. Like for example, if I don't feel like watching it, I'm not gonna watch it. Like yung Descendants of the Sun, I did not watch that. Crash Landing, I did not watch that. I'm not saying that I hate the drama, it's just that parang hindi ko feel. And even yung Queen of Tears, I haven't watched that pa. Pero, you know, yung ito parang siguro if I have time, I'll gonna watch it. So, we're gonna enter this train and we'll see you guys.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너. 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지.
On the train, guys.
첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나 그런 나를 넌 보며.
So we're now here in Suwon. Oh, tingnan yung kilikili. Maputi yan! Sinasabi ko sa inyo, alagang skin station. Charot. So we're now on our way to Dalidang Coffee. Kasi ito yung pinakamaaga. Well, ito yung may mas maagang opening time. Before we proceed sa amin talagang itinerary for today. Which is, i-visit lang naman aming filming location ng Our Beloved's Star. Our Beloved Summer. So, yeah, lakad na kami ng lakad. Ang ganda dito sa Suwon, where it's so peaceful. I don't know if it was Sunday ba or whatsoever, pero ang peaceful talaga dito sa Suwon. Grabe.
The moment na paglabas
The moment
ng
we
station.
step foot here, malamig, ang ganda. Tapos malapit siya sa bundok. Parang mga hill. Sina Nikki Hill, Enrique Hill, mga wala eh.
I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy. Yeah.
Guys, in the cafe, it's called Dalidang. Hi. So, this is Datex. And ang kinagandahan niyan, ito yung view niya. The Great Wall of Korea. Char. Heaven! And there's a lot of torts too.
시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서
Filming location of Our Beloved Summer as a fangirl. We're here! Unga! Si Unga at saka si Ungpa. Nandi. Unga! Unga!
매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 네가 제일 좋아하는 게 뭐냐고 물어본 나 그런 나를 넌 보며 대답 없이 미소만 짓는데 I'm going crazy I'm going crazy.
We are about to try this photo booth here because we're such a hoarder of char. Jillian, hindi mo kaya mag-anyong sa pogi.
Anyong lang pala. Matry nga.
Oh, sige. We're here for another photo booth. Keme. Kung kanina is, ano pangalan nun?
Low. Ay, yun ba?
Ngayon, high. Charot. Ito yung kanina, low yung angle.
무뎌져버린 내 가슴이 뛰어 I'm going crazy yeah I'm going crazy
So guys, eto na nga. So inulan na nga kami dito sa Suwon.
And
Wala
lalo
kaming
na tayong
tayong.
lalamigin.
Kaya nga, tapos ito pa yung mga oh my gosh, RIP to our Onitsuka. Sobrang gawin na Onitsuka. So guys, naihi na din ako and we haven't had our lunch.
Yes.
Ikaw dun sa Yet. Part ko na yung we haven't had lunch, tapos siya na yung dun sa Yet. We're here at Starfield na.
오늘은 너에게 내 맘을 고백할게 내 맘을 받아줘 영원히 변치 않을 테니
We're here in a chicken and beer place. Malapit lang siya sa hotel. And it's like maraming tao naman. So, we suppose it's good.
Sikat na, chef yung
May-ari dito? So, sikat daw na chef yung nagluluto dito sa restaurant na to. Ewan ko sinong chef. So, since it's malamig nga and umulan bigla, we feel like we want to, like, alam mo yun, mag-chicken and beer kind of night and chill. May free popcorn pa.
치킨.
그리고 고추마늘 순살 하나 1인분 주세요.
감사합니다. The chicken and beer is here. Okay, let's eat. Wala akong kasama ngayon. Ako lang mag-isa. Ako lang mag-isa, guys.
messenger.
It's good. Oh my gosh, it's really good. The fries and the chicken are doing both so well. Right? Okay, so I'm really not a fan of beer. It's just that this beer is different. It's sweetened beer. I should say. Sarap siya. Para mapapalima. So ayun na nga guys, rush hour pa yung naabutan namin.
Hindi po kami nagising ng maaga.
Because sleep is life. Rush hour yarn. So we're here in Seongsu for breakfast and we're going to Onion Cafe. Hindi ko na siya minap kasi instinct na lang. Feeling ko alam ko pa siya.
O, tingnan natin.
Tapos bawal.
yung
Tingnan natin yung instinct. Alam ko magle-left siya, Jill.
Okay.
Jill magle-left. Tapos tumbok yun na yun. Feeling ko.
O, tingnan natin.
Feeling ko ayun na. Diba? Oh my God, I still know this place. Ang buti na lang wala masyadong tao.
Okay.
It's so nice to be back here in
And
and malamig.
Malamig compared to yesterday.
Kanina ito lang suot ko dapat. Oh.
So, nilaban ng sleeveless.
True.
When I wake up I feel cozy yeah
Heaven. Oh, diba? You don't know what to choose. Last year, this is the last time I tried. This is I don't know. It's something na pero masarap, girl. Magkano? 7.5. Pero super, like, guys, yung bread nila dito are so worth it. You can try. Bigger version ng kinain ko kahapon. So sarap. Oh my gosh, Jane. Let's order different, bread. And then let's take iman. Mag-iman tayo mamaya.
May mali eh.
Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How How do you look so fine? Plus up, plus up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
Super nagulat ako kasi pagpasok ko dito sa Tumblr's, it's like, it's very aesthetic and all that stuff. Tapos biglang, akala ko, like, there's a lot of people, right? Tapos bigla. Girl, nagulat ako, akala ko they're like true. They're not pala. It's so shocking. So guys, we're here in Seongsu. Ang daming mga bigati na brands pala here. Hindi ko alam. Like, there's Loewe. There's Dior doon. Dior. There's Brion. There's Butcheron. To, masarap to, Butcheron. Meron din sa Sosis. Nakakatuwa lang kasi Filipino brand ata yung Butcheron mo yun. Nadala dito sa Korea. Kaya ang ano lang, ang ganda na may Butcheron natin sa Korea.
Don't you love when we take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no. Never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second.
Kamsamnida, sir. Char. Nag-free taste kami dito, guys. Sobrang sarap ng mga, ano ba yung dried strawberry? Kamsamnida, hindi ito bola. Iba pala yun. Oh my gosh, these are side dishes. 안녕하세요. Wow. 감사합니다. It's good. 감사합니다. hindi ito bola.
I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second.
Guys, kain lang kami ha, kasi pagod na kami. Charot.
김치만두 1인분이요. 네.
Ang daming alam sabihin. Kaya ito yung spokesperson ko eh. Iri. Ang alam ko lang sabihin, aserehehadehe. Oh my gosh, we're so starving. Tingnan mo kanina ang lamig, tas buti na lang talaga nag-tank top lang ako at saka t-shirt. Kasi nga, malamig. Kamsamnida. Seaweed soup is the best. Lunch is dessert. Kita nyo ba guys? Ganyan siya talaga. Dito ka sa kaserola kakain. Tapos kumuha din kami ng dumplings for the sides. And ito ganito siya cheers. So tayo ay kakain guys. Eat with us. Kung may get ready with me. Sa amin naman ay eat with me.
Love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
So hello, we're here in Hongdae and it's KBBQ kind of night for dinner. Though alam ko sobrang dami naming nakain kanina, but yeah. The Korean trip won't be complete without a KBBQ experience. So, wala saan ba yun? Parang mali ata ako ng sinerch. Wait lang. Pas nga. So, lumagpas nga po kami. Ayun, sa dulo. There. I can see it in here. Kaya sobrang hulas na ang mga badeng. Girl, uso ka dito. Ayun, nakikita ko na ang cruise. So, first time na pumunta ko dito, me and Aaron ate here. And it's good. I don't know kung tumaas yung price or what, pero last time, it's like 19,000. I don't know if tama ba yun. Jillian, basahin mo nga yun dahil ikaw ang nakakaintindi ng...
Ito ba? Ito
Yan, yan. Like may A, assorted.
Veggie sang.
Unlimited, everything. B, ayan, 21.9. Ano yan? Full course yung 21.9. Kasi meron siyang kasamang chandelier eh. Unlimited yan. Ano ba? Yay! It's so nice to be back here again. Oh, I don't know if may place, pero let's see. Okay, so done for the day. Done with the dinner. Bakit parang dilim ng camera? Medyo parang nabigla yung cellphone sa akin.
Ako, masakit.
So, ang gagawin namin, bibili kami ng kape ngayon. As in, parang siyang tumutusok. Shit, bakit ganun? Rush hour na naman, guys. Oh my gosh. Shock. 6 seconds ito na. In the middle. Medyo scary, guys, because piniting nila yung ilaw. So, Good morning!
Good morning.
Nandito na naman po tayo. Dadaan na naman tayo sa police station. Parang every morning na aalis tayo. Parang nagiging, parang isa sa mga nilook forward na dadaanan na or makikita everyday is itong police station. Minigreet namin ang police station ng good morning. Char. So today's Gillian. This is our last full day here in Seoul because tomorrow we will be going to Busan. No, not really Busan. Pohang muna. Yeah. This is super like a chill day. Kaya nasingit ko pa mag-workout. Makakapag-workout. I'll try to like work out in Sweaton Seoul. And then, si Jill, we're gonna like roam around nearby. Tapos, wala masyadong ganap, diba? Feeling ko we need to be back lang early in the hotel. Kasi we need to pack things pa. And then, tomorrow, maaga. Yes, maaga yung aming train schedule from Seoul Station.
With a child's heart, no need to worry.
Ayan, so this is better. So we're here at Kame de Amapola Deli. We're having breakfast, quick breakfast before me going to the gym and Jillian before she stroll around Seoul.
With a no with a no need to worry. With us, you to
After a very deadly workout, lunch is deserved. So we're here in a local restaurant in Gangnam. And we requested aprons. So cute! Cute! Kasi we're wearing white, so
Siyempre, baka...
ang mga baday. True. Ang mga puri ng mga bayis. Guys, let's eat. So we're here at Gangnam at andito si Jillian sa Gangnam Style Monument dahil sasayawin niya ang Gangnam Style. Okay, ready Jill? 1, 2, 3. Opa, Gangnam Style. Ganyan ba? Ganyan ba kaarte? Doon mag-ayos ka doon. Humarap ka sa akin. Ayun, gagayahin.
No.
Gagayahin mo yun. So finally, we're trying Tusam Place. Tusam Place. Is it here? Ayan, feeling ko here. There you go, Tusam Place. Come on in. Ang bango, guys. We're here at Tusam Place. Tapos, busit yung nag-deal.
Sana
Tinanong lang naman namin kung pwedeng gas, tapos biglang super eggies. Okay lang. Sige, ganyan kayo. Pag malupitan nyo kami, last day naman namin dito sa Seoul. There's our order.
Sino?
Hindi, para lang siyang something. Naughty something.
Sita ng ate girl. Kamsam.
감사합니다. Okay guys, so I went out and oh my gosh, may worry pala dito sa likod na. Okay, so I went out for a quick snack. Bumili ako ng ramen and a big kimbap. Oh my gosh. So I'm starving and I wanna taste. This is our last night here in Seoul because tomorrow we'll be going to Busan. Dito sa lugar namin medyo kasi inuman. So, daming lasing guys. Even kanina, may mga lasing na sa daan, so ang daming police. Parang gano'n kasi yung dito sa Korea, ang ginagawa nila, pag may mga, parang ready to the rescue naman yung mga police, in fairness. Mabilis responde yung mga police when there's like people na lying around the street because of intoxication of alcohol. I'm here na in our hotel. Hostel ng hostel. So guys, andito na ako sa floor namin. Try nating takutin si Jillian.